Right now on the DIY Gourmet, we're barbecue grilling frozen hamburger patties. And you might think it's hard, but it's not that bad. Go ahead and crank that grill up to almost high heat and preheat the grill to about 500 degrees. You're going to want to make sure it's scraped and then oiled. Now, you take the frozen beef patty, you put it down directly after it reaches that 500-degree mark, and you're going to hear it sizzle. You're going to let it sit there for about 5 minutes. It's a frozen patty. It's going to need to do that. And after it gets the initial sear of the high heat, you're going to want to take it down a notch because, again, it's a frozen patty. It's going to need to cook on the inside and not burn on the outside. And that's why you put the grill down twice. Once after you lay them down and let them sear, you close the grill, let the heat up to about 500 degrees inside. Take them up, check them, move them around, maybe flip them if they're ready, watch your heat zones. And then after you flip them, you close that grill back down to cook the other side for about another 5 minutes. Now, this is the medium to high heat option. There is another high heat option, which I'm going to be showing soon. Do it yourself gourmet. Thanks for watching, everybody, and we'll see you next time.